Hello everyone, welcome into my craft space. Today I'd like to share with you a completed gratitude junk journal that has taken me way too long to finish. I am happy to say this one is sold and will be going to its owner after this video. Anyways, if you notice, this is a Reader's Digest book, and I haven't forgotten the Mass Make series. I am still working on it, but the next step, I've been trying to figure out how I wanted to record it, because the next step is to do the covers, and there's so many different ways to do the covers of these journals. This is one of my favorite ways. It's using a canvas panel on here. So I do have a collage on this canvas panel. Then we have these book corners or metal book corner plates here on the corners of the canvas panel. Then we have a book plate, and this is collaged and a bunch of florals, which I have stamped with some scripty font for some added interest. We have fabric underneath here, ribbon underneath here, lace. This book is full of all kinds of trims, and I absolutely love it. For those of you that are unfamiliar with Reader's Digest books, the dimension here is about 5.5 by about 7 3/4. And it has a closed or covered spine, however you would like to say it. This book has 2 signatures and is quite full. I did not put a closure on this book. A lot of times when I put the canvas panels on the covers, I don't wind up putting a closure, but you could still put a ribbon around it if you wanted to tie it. You can see from the side it's starting to gator here, but there's still plenty of room to do a lot of writing. Again, this is a gratitude journal. I'll put all of the links in the comments section below, in the description box below. The digitals that you will be seeing are in collaboration. The collection is called In Everything Give Thanks, and it's a collaboration between RachandBella Crafts and Line.Arrow. Both of those are some of my favorite digital artists, and they make some really beautiful collections, and it's a 2-part purchase. It's a collaboration between RachandBella Crafts and Line.Arrow. So you buy half of it from RachandBella Crafts and the other half from Line.Arrow, and you have the whole collection, and it's absolutely wonderful to work with. I loved this fabric here. These pages are sewn in with a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. You can kind of see that on the side there. So, all right, well, without further ado, let's get to it. I guess I should say how wide the spine is real quick. I think it's like 2 inches. Yeah, 2 inches. There we go. 2-inch spine, 2 signatures, good to go. This pattern here is the pattern that comes naturally on the Reader's Digest book, and I absolutely embrace and love it. You can see the back cover here. I did just cover up this fabric ends and added some beautiful lace, and I really enjoy this pattern. It went really well with this paper collection and everything that I've got in here. So here we go. Inside, we've got some beautiful paper and stickers. This one here is a little pouch, and it has a postcard and a tag and some of the beautiful digital papers. Little flip here. This one is a tag that pulls out. It's some of those beautiful papers with a prima flower, a brad, and some lace. We've got a little ribbon trim here with a leaf at the top, and a sticker that says "Believe in the Magic of Harvest." You can kind of see that at the bottom there. I'm working really hard to try to stay in frame, you guys. I know I haven't been great at it lately, and I apologize. This is the back side of this other paper here, and then I put ribbon on this side and the other side, and then made a cute little tie at the end here. You could hang some beads or charms, or just enjoy the little bow tie that it is there. Now this one is a flip. Really hard to keep this one in frame. I'll do my best here. Let's see if we can kind of zoom out just a little bit. Maybe that will help. All right, here we go. So this one flips. It's actually a tag right here. And then it says "Give Thanks," and this is a piece of wood. So this is definitely a mixed media book. It flips out here. This is the cute little tag inside. Lots of sunflowers. Oh boy, let's see if we can put it back in here. There we go. We got it. All right, then this one flips open. And there's a little tag there. I'm not going to take it out. This one says "In Everything Give Thanks." Some cute little stickers here that are dimensional. Just some places to journal and write here, and a leaf sticker that is textured, so you can kind of feel the ripples where those little leaf veins are. This opens up. There is a little tag in here, and this one I'll kind of take out a little bit. All of these beautiful prints are part of these digital collections. I absolutely love them. Love them. This one flips open, and then we have an envelope here that pulls out, and I did use a embellishing or embossing folder on that one. Goodness. All right, it says in everything give thanks. There's some beautiful sunflowers on all these papers. I absolutely love them. And then this all flips closed again. And here we go. And this is all still part of the first signature. Some places to journal. This has some muslin that I stamped. And more places to journal. This has kind of been dyed. There's a little ruffle here with a charm and a bulb pin. It's a sunflower charm. And we've got another one of these textured leaves there. Some pom-pom trim. And this is a tag that I made into a little pocket here. Some pumpkin ribbon, some leaves, and some lace trim. This one is a tag, and I absolutely love this one. This has been embossed with an embossing folder, and then there is scripty font. But then this piece here is actually cut out with a die cut, and this little tag comes out. This is part of the digital collection. So beautiful. Then when you can take it out, you can see the leaf in there, or you can put it back in and see the picture from the tag in that leaf spot, which I think is really fun. Little tuck spot here with another one of these beautiful little postcards. Great place to put a photo or some writing, some journaling. Whoops. And lots of room here for some journaling and writing. There is a fun little piece of trim here that moves, so you can put a charm on this. I think I did on the on one of them. Double pocket here with some tags. This one is a full-size tag. It has those beautiful sunflowers, some stamping on the back. It says, "So very thankful." And this pocket, this top piece, is a piece of coffee dyed paper that has been die cut or punched. And these are just little pieces from the collection. Absolutely beautiful. Love these little tiny ones. You could put some kind of a little note or maybe even a little photo on the back there. So super cute, or just kind of enjoy them as decoration. This is a coffee dyed index card with some lace and stickers. Coffee dyed paper, lace and stickers. More places to write, and I love this cluster that I was able to make right here with the clock. This is a Tim Holtz die cut. Little snippet of lace, a sticker, a leaf sticker there, and then some Prima flowers with brads. And of course it's all inked. This is a beautiful collage page from the collection, one of my favorite pages in this collection actually. This is a decoupage napkin here on the outside of the first signature. And we're moving into the second signature. You can see this, got this wheat paper. This is not part of the digital collection. This is scrapbook paper. Into a pocket here. This is part of the collection. Absolutely gorgeous sunflowers, love them. This is a embossed envelope that is a pocket. There's a tag in there. This is part of the digital collection as well. Put a little tab sticker here, plenty of room for doing some writing, gratitude journaling, whatever it is that you like. And I absolutely love this page. This is a piece from the digital collection, and so is this piece here, but then it opens separately. Little leaf back here, some more papers from the collection, and this one flips over. So then you have this open spot here, and then they both close together. And then this is a little gratitude spot here on the back of an index card. Cute little squirrel sticker. Some more paper here, just room to write. And then these leaves did get cut out of the paper, and they have this shimmer stick on there that I found. It's by Imagine. Absolutely love this shimmer. That's what I put on the front cover too. So double-sided here. A little smaller page. A little piece of, yep, I completely lost it. A little ribbon tab is basically what it is. Burlap, it's a burlap tab. There we go. And I love this shorter page, just gives it some interest. The back side here, there is a napkin decoupaged on there that gives it some really great texture. More of that burlap ribbon. Then we've got a belly band here, and this is a tag from the collection. Absolutely gorgeous. It's quite large, so I was able to stamp Grateful on the back of it there. And the stamps are by Close to My Heart. Let's see if I can get this back in there. Always when you're doing a flip through video, nothing wants to go back in where it's supposed to go. There we go. Some beautiful lace trim here, and that page flips over. This is part of the paper collection, and it is lined paper, which is really great. Got some metallic paper and ribbon, a little cluster of stickers, and then this flips open. Let's see here, like this. This is just tacked on here. This is from Simple Stories. It says grateful for you. Piece of stamped muslin. Of course, all the papers are inked. Here is some of the beautiful collages that are available in this digital collection. Absolutely love these papers. Didn't really have to do a lot back here, but I thought it'd be a great fold out to put some photos or things that you're grateful for or thankful for, or you know, maybe you just have some fall family photos that would be fun to put in here. That would definitely be beautiful and work as well. This page is just accented here a little bit with some ribbon, and these are actually wood pieces. This one here is a waterfall, got some cute little pumpkin stickers, and it flips up and it has gratitude up there. These are papers from the digital collection, so here we go, the ones on the inside. This orange is just some crepe paper cardstock. This one says Thanksgiving. And then in the little pocket down here, I have some little die cut book page leaves in this little pocket. And then the signature, this is the center of the signature, and it's just tied in a bow here. Could be untied and put some beads or charms, or snip it off if you don't want it there. Got some beautiful lace trim on the back of this waterfall here, placed to right. This is a decorative bag, and there is a beautiful tag inside. Again, stamped with that grateful, and has a beautiful textured leaf sticker there. And some little fun trim here. And there's a pocket on the side here, some of those leaves to decorate this tag. This is metallic paper, eyelash trim. All the tags within have eyelets so that they are secured. Some beautiful lace trim and some fun scrapbook paper. Again, just some textured paper from napkin decoupaging, some vintage rickrack, and some lace trim. There's another one of our cute little squirrels popping in there. He's just a little sticker. And this is part of the digital collection. I did take some little scrap of muslin there and made that little tab with the stamps. And this is a fun tag that I made using some Distress Oxide. This is a cardboard leaf that's been die cut and 3D texture plated to get all this looks. This is a double pocket here. Let's see if I can get it to work. There's one there in the back, and then you can see the little punch out there for a little divot for this one. So I kind of like them situated like this, but you can put them in the pocket however you like. Then we've got a cute little butterfly. I think this piece of the paper was one of my absolute favorites in the digital collection. I love these little, they look like little squash leaves or something. And then these little tiny little flowers, I did put some stickles on just to make them pop. Of course, my things with wings have glitter here. Some trim on the inside, double lace here, and some fun trim. And then I love this wheat. This was part of the digital collection as well. And here, this page wants to stick every time. I don't know why, but there's a cute little metallic tag in here. This is part of the digital collection. This is a piece of wood here, one of the leaves, and then some bling. And we've got these leaf stickers, very beautiful. Again, this page is edged with some of the digital papers. This one here is digital papers, great for writing. Got a fun little charm here that looks like the wheat on this paper. This one has one of those sparkle windows that Shanuki showed us how to do on her YouTube channel. Shout out to you, Shanuki. I'm still using those sparkle windows, girl. I love them. Here is the tab that I made several of these little muslin tabs, just little muslin scraps, and I think they look really great there. I love that sparkle window. You can see through everything. A little pocket here with some tags. This is another collage piece from the digital collection. The tags have of course been inked, and I have an eyelet there. Plenty of room for photos on the back or some journaling. This one here was a tag that I made last year, and part of the gratitude. We all chose different days and things that we were grateful for. It was a collaboration. I'll try and link that video in the description box below if you're interested. So that's a double tag. This is a little tag inside of a pocket there. And then this one goes in here. That's a scrapbook paper made into a pocket, but this piece back here is part of the digital collection. And then we've got some little ribbon tabs here at the bottom. And then this is part of the digital collection, and I used this it's new to me, it's a Sheer Shimmer Sticks dauber, and it's by Imagine, and I went all the way around that clock, and it looks just gorgeous. I don't know if the camera is picking it up or not, but it has this beautiful shimmer all the way around that clock. And then there's a sticker here that says carve out some good times. And then that is all. We are at the back of the journal. I absolutely love the different textures of the laces and textiles and die cuts and all kinds of different, you know, heights and sizes of the papers and things that are hanging out here. Absolutely love it. And at the top has some of that too, which is really fun. And this again is that Reader's Digest pattern that absolutely just goes perfectly. I love it. Fabric, ribbon, and lace, and then we're back to our front cover. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this flip through of this beautiful journal. This one is sold, but I do take orders, and so if you're interested, you can email me at frappsandscraps@hotmail.com, or you can hit me up in the messages here. If you're making a Reader's Digest junk journal, I would love to hear about it. Tell me in the comments below. And again, keep watching, because I have several journals I'm going to start finishing up here and doing flip throughs, and I will put this in the playlist for the Reader's Digest mass makes, just to give you guys an idea of what they look like when they're finished, and different ways that you can do the covers of your journals. So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and follow and do all of the things. Check us out on Facebook for some more live videos, and I'll see you guys next time.